there, friends! Welcome to an adventure like no other. Have you ever dreamed of taking a magical journey to the North Pole? A place where snowflakes dance in the air and the spirit of Christmas is alive in every corner? Well, guess what? You can! And it's more enchanting than you could ever imagine. Today we're going to hop aboard the Polar Express train ride. Are you ready to embark on this magical journey? Let's go! The adventure begins the moment you step onto the platform. First up, the train itself. It's not just any train. The Polar Express is a real steam locomotive, just like in the movie. Whoosh! You can almost feel the steam and hear the whistle blow. As you step onto the train, you'll be greeted by cheerful conductors who punch your golden ticket. It's like stepping into a storybook. They're super friendly and always have a big smile on their faces. And guess what? They make you feel like a part of the Polar Express family. Once you're on board, the magic really begins. The train's interior is something out of a dream. The train is decorated with twinkling lights and festive holiday decorations. Every corner sparkles with holiday cheer. It feels like stepping into a winter wonderland. The atmosphere is so enchanting you won't want to leave. There's hot cocoa and cookies served by dancing chefs. Yum! The aroma of freshly baked cookies fills the air. Can you imagine sipping hot cocoa while the train chugs through snowy landscapes? It's pure bliss. It's like a dream come true. The scenery outside is just as magical as the experience inside. But that's not all. There's more magic to come. You'll also meet some of your favorite characters from the story. They come to life right before your eyes. The conductor, the hobo, and even Santa himself. Yes, Santa! He's here to make your journey even more special. He walks through the train, greeting kids and giving out a special gift, a silver bell. This bell is a symbol of belief and magic. And remember, only those who truly believe can hear it ring. It's a moment of pure wonder. Throughout the ride, you'll hear the enchanting story of the Polar Express narrated over the speakers. It's like being read a bedtime story. It's like the book comes to life right before your eyes. The pages turn into real-life scenes. The story is filled with adventure, friendship, and the spirit of Christmas. It's a heartwarming tale that captures the essence of the holiday season. Oh, and did I mention the amazing scenery? The landscapes are breathtaking. You'll pass through snowy forests, icy rivers, and even see the northern lights. The view is simply spectacular. It's so magical and beautiful, you won't believe your eyes. And the best part? The journey doesn't end there. When you reach the North Pole, you'll see Santa's village all lit up and bustling with elves. It's a sight to behold. The train stops, and you can watch from the windows as Santa prepares for Christmas Eve. The excitement builds up. The excitement is out of this world. The children's faces light up with joy and wonder. So, what are you waiting for? This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Grab your tickets and hop on the Polar Express for an unforgettable holiday adventure. It's a journey you'll cherish forever. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Your support means the world to us. Happy holidays, may your days be filled with magic and joy.